Today we will solve this sum. Here it is given that we have to eliminate ABC from these three equations. It means we need some relation between x, y, z. So one particular calculation I am showing you. After that, just we can generalize. Just see. First of all, x equal to b by c minus c by b. So if we add this x plus y plus z, if we add, we are getting b by c minus c by b plus c by a minus a by c plus a by b minus b by a. If I just simplify, just if we take the c portion common, so c b minus a plus, if I take denominator a two part common, so c minus b plus, if I take denominator b common, this is coming a minus c. So if we just simplify here, we are getting a b c. So a b into b minus a plus c minus b into b c plus a c into a minus c. Just this part, just I am simplifying this portion. This portion I am simplifying outside, so that our calculation should be easier for us. Okay, so I am simplifying this part aside. So if I simplify, so c minus b into bc plus ac into a minus c. Just if I simplify here, we are getting bc square minus b square c plus a square c minus ac square. Just first and last, if we take c square common, c square b minus a, and from the second and third, if I take the common part, in this case we are getting c common, a square minus b square. Therefore c square b minus a plus c a minus b into a plus b, c into b minus a. So okay, I am taking just b minus a common here. If I take b minus a common, this is coming c square plus minus c into a plus b. So we are getting here, we are getting this thing. Okay, just let us remove some portion so that it becomes, it looks good. Now just I am putting in this portion. So finally the result is coming to be ab into b minus a plus in this place I am putting this portion. So if I put it, that is b minus a into c square minus ac minus bc, total divided by ABC. Therefore, just if we take b minus a common and AB plus c square minus AC minus BC by ABC. By factorization we can say here, these steps are very important, and after that we will generalize. We have known this portion what is coming, and after that there will be some another this type of portion, we will just generalize. So here it will be coming a minus b into b minus c into c minus a by ABC. So after all these steps we came to the conclusion. Now the other portion which will be coming, we have to generalize like this. So I am going to the next. So in the similar method we can say x minus y minus z, that is b minus c, c plus a. Similarly we can say from the previous calculation, by seeing the previous calculation, a plus b by abc, and y minus z minus x equal to c minus a A plus B into B plus C by ABC, and Z minus X minus Y equal to A minus B into B plus C into C plus A by ABC. So everyone, by multiplying all these four results, we are getting now here. So X plus, so we can say X plus Y plus Z into X minus Y minus Z into Y minus Z minus X into Z minus X minus Y. So by multiplication we are getting here, just see, B minus C into B plus C, B square minus C square whole square into C square minus A square whole square into A square minus B square whole square, total divided by A to the power 4, B to the power 4, C to the power 4. Since odd 3 minus sign is there, therefore I am giving one extra minus sign here. Therefore, if we just distribute, we can get this B by C minus C by B whole square into minus outside C by A minus A by C whole square into A by B minus B by A whole square. So we are seeing that B by C minus C by B equal to X, and this is Y, this is Z. Therefore, just we reached our conclusion. This is coming minus of X square, Y square, Z square. So this is the relation between X, Y, Z by the elimination of ABC. So these type of tricky sums regularly I'll just get it, and everyone subscribe the channel to get the more and more such videos.